Hey guys, Paula here. I just thought I would come on. This was a piece that I showed on the live broadcast last night. I used the black low fire, no fire piping paste and used a stencil, went through it, applied the paste, and I thought, you know what, it needs something else. We did sparkles last night. This is one of the other ones that we did. You can kind of see the sparkle on that one. So that's got two blues on a white glass, and then I sifted the silver sparkle. This one here is the black paste, and I sifted copper sparkle on top of that. So I thought, let's do glitz. So this is GZ-605, and you shake it until it removes from the bottom, or stir it up, either one. So I shake it really, really well. And then I just use out of the lid. So I'm just going to take the Colors for Earth glass brush and just pick up some paint and accent these little bubbles or circles by just putting a little bit of a comma stroke off to one side. Just to make it fun and have something a little more interest to it. Just keep mixing that. And then on, let's do this one too. I'll wipe out the excess in there. Then you can come in and you can dot. So I can pick some up with the handle of my brush and apply it to the other smaller dots. I'll leave the smallest ones just black. But so this is just a quick and easy way that you can add accent on top of that paste when it's dry. It's been dry 24 hours or so. Well, not quite 24, but anyway, overnight it was dry. Okay, so you can see how cool that looks. You could also add additional dots out along the outer edge if you wanted. And I'm gonna need to almost go into this. There's not enough of it there. I'll just kind of stir it up as I'm going and create a dot pattern around this heart. With the glitz, and I'm going to go to a full fuse, and with the glitz you do have what we call some burn off. So after it's been fired, this will be on the top. You'll have like a little dust of whatever it doesn't need to attach to the glass, and you just wipe it off. So don't think that you didn't fire it hot enough. It's just part of the process of it. It just slightly has a dusting of the glitz on the top. Not a whole lot. Most people don't even know it's there. So we just fancied this little guy up, and this is just a little 3x3 that I'll make into a little trinket dish, and this is actually a prize that I'm giving away. All right, so that shows you how to add some glitz. I don't want to hold that up and cause it to run to your pieces. This was another piece I did last night. This has the same low fire, no fire piping paste on the bottom. So I used the paste, smeared it on very lightly, very thin. You can see it's very thin with the palette knife. And then I placed some opaque glass on top of it, similar to a mosaic. And then I will fire this, and the paste will kind of foam up in between a little bit. It's very thin, but you don't want to go too thick because it'll literally come over the glass. So less is more when you're doing this particular technique. And I could even add some glitz to that if I wanted. All right, guys, just thought I'd show you what I was doing.